So, Ken, how does the introduction of AI driven development, what does that mean for somebody in QA right now? And how should our minds be changing or shifting fundamentally?
Yep, for sure, Scott. There's a big challenge around volume, higher number of code changes, and velocity, higher frequency. We want to try to get code pushed faster. Software development teams are taking advantage of these AI tools so that they can build the code faster. And I think that we're going to need to see a similar thing around the quality function. As a matter of fact, I've been doing kind of ad hoc surveys of software engineers about how much do you trust the code that's being generated? How much do you trust the code that Scott just wrote? He put in his PR. Well, I trust it a lot because Scott and I have worked together for a long time. How much do you trust the code that was generated by Claude code? I barely trust it, right? So trust in code is going way down, but teams don't want to do a traditional quality approach of let's open up a tool and click around and that kind of thing, or wait for the end-to-end test environment. So we've got to use AI tools to come up with new techniques and approaches on how we do that validation. The one that we see picking up speed is this digital twin idea. If we can create a simulation of the production environment and give it to the coding AI, then it will come in and actually find its own bugs. So that's a different type of methodology and not what you would try to do with your software engineering team. You wouldn't kick it back and say, hey, Scott, why don't you try to find your own bugs? But with AI, they don't get tired. They're happy to go do the extra cycles and work. Take that to your advantage. So I definitely think that QA folks should be spending time with these tools, learning what they do well. Write your own agents. It's not complicated. Anthropic has a very good guide on it, and you can get up and running in 15 minutes. It's worth taking time to learn these things, especially going into a new year.